Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be testing out a mask, and you guys know I love testing out masks. This is going to be a first impression video, so I have absolutely no makeup on and I'm ready to go. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here is the mask that I'm going to be trying out today. It is from Lange. And if you're not familiar with Lange, they are a well-established skincare brand, and they actually were featured on Allure, so they definitely have some high recognition. This is what you would get in the retexturizing peel set. So I'm going to come in close so you guys can get a little glimpse of the packaging. So it looks something like this, and then when you open it up, it's going to look like this. And you get all these little goodies in here. So I'm really excited to try these out. So I'm going to take everything out and kind of just give you guys my first impressions. So far I really like the packaging, and they do say that this retexturizing peel kit is great for any time. It's also great for any skin type, so I like that. And I think that this would be really great for a gift or someone. I just like that it's like an all-in-one set. I also like that it has the directions on here, very simple to use. So the first product in the retexturizing peel kit, this is their peel prep. So I'll come in close. So according to the directions, the first thing that you would do is cleanse your face and apply slightly to damp skin. You would gently massage in a circular motion over the entire face for 30 to 60 seconds and leave on for an additional minute and rinse with warm water and pat dry. So we will get into trying this out. So this is a refreshing scrub, and it has enzymes and microbeads. This is going to help really exfoliate the skin. So the second item in their kit is their peel accelerator pads, and it looks something like this. So this is what the packaging looks like for the pads. And as you guys know, pads are very simple, straightforward to use. You're going to just gently wipe this across your face and remove any excess from the peel prep. And moving on, we have the glycolic peel solution, and this one I'm really interested in trying out because it does actually say to use it with the brush. So I'm going to be excited to use this. It does say to pump 1 teaspoon, and it comes in this little measuring cup. So you'll pump into the measuring cup and then use the brush to stroke the solution from your T-zone, your chin, and cheeks as well. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, it wants you to massage the solution into the face with slightly damp fingers and allow it to foam on face and leave on for another 4 to 5 minutes. And then rinse thoroughly and dry. So there you have it. That is the kit. I'm going to try it out now, and it's pretty straightforward. I like that there's not too many steps, but it does, give you a full kind of what I would say an at-home facial. So without further ado, let's get into trying this out. So I put my hair back and I zoomed in the camera so you guys can get a better look at my skin. So right now my skin is not cooperating, so I definitely need to do a little masking, a little pampering. So let's get right into it. I'll be using the peel prep. So it does say to have a damp face. So I went ahead and kind of just put some water on my face, and now I have the product open. I want to show you guys. It's kind of this cool orangey color. Definitely cool. Let's not spill it out. So it looks something like this, and it has a nice smell. Kind of smells like marzipan, kind of like coconut, vanilla, very nice, nothing too unpleasant. So I'm just gonna do a nice little swoop on my finger like so, and then just gently start massaging in. Again, with this kind of product, you don't want to put too much on your face. Just let it, do its magic. So it does say to do this for 30 to 60 seconds. So I do like that it's not too rough on my skin. I do have sensitive skin, so I like that. It's very gentle, and I don't feel like it's really stripping my skin, the natural oil, stuff like that. So I just exfoliated, and I can already see a huge difference. My skin is kind of a little bit tingling, feels exfoliated, refreshed, and I've patted my face dry, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. So the next step, this is the peel accelerator pads. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So here is what the pads look like. So you do get quite a bit in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take one, go ahead and just gently wipe over my whole face. And this is supposed to speed up the exfoliating process. So So now that the product has dried into my skin, I'm going to be doing the third step, which is the glycolic peel solution. So it does say to do 1 teaspoon, and we're going to put it into the little cup that they provided. So I hope you guys can see that. That's about 1 teaspoon. And we're going to use the brush that they provided. So I really, really like when brands provide brushes because it makes it so much easier to apply masks, to apply product, anything like that. It's a lot less messy. And this looks like a pretty firm one. It'll be really easy to put on product. So this is going to form a peel on my face. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start right here at the top and do the T-zone. We have the nose. So can you see how it's kind of like bubbling up? It's kind of foaming. It's very interesting. But it feels like it's exfoliating. It feels like it's working. So now it's foaming up. As you guys can see, this is very, very cool. And it says to wait about 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, it says to start massaging it into the face. And then we're gonna go ahead and wait another 4 to 5 minutes. So now it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to actually massage it into my skin, like it asked. And then we're gonna wait for it to bubble up again and wait another 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm coming in, I'm gonna do a close-up just where you can see where the mask is at. So now I'm waiting another 4 to 5 minutes to really just let it set in, do its magic. So it's been about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and I'll meet you guys right back here and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So I rinsed off my face. There's no more foaming, anything going on like that, but wow, this was a really fun experience. I really enjoyed doing this. I thought that was really fun. I like when products make you feel like they're working and you kind of see the results from start to finish. So I'm gonna come in close so you guys can see like my skin. It feels very, very clean, refreshed. I have not put on any moisturizer yet, so I'm gonna do that next, but it is extremely soft and just smooth and just exfoliated. There's a little bit of tingling, but no discomfort or pain or anything like that, but absolutely love this product, and I can see why it's been favorited by many people. So again, the whole purpose of this mask is to smooth out your skin, exfoliate, get rid of any dead skin cells, and also firm your skin. So I absolutely love this product. I hope you guys can see on camera the results. Again, this is the Lange Retexturizing Peel Kit. And again, it was super, super simple. You guys saw how easy and quick this was to do. First, we started with the peel prep. So this is basically an exfoliating. So basically this helped prep my skin, you know, really smooth out my skin, get it ready for the other products. And then we had the peel accelerator pads right here. So these, again, really going to get rid of any of the excess exfoliating product on my face, get it ready for it, which is the glycolic peel solution. And this is the stuff that actually foamed up on my skin. Very exciting, very fun. This is something really fun to do with a friend of yours. You guys can do this together and just kind of laugh at each other. But this really, really is the main star right here. This is where your skin starts to tingle. You can feel, you know, it happening, it working. So this is the product that I am obsessed with, and really all 3 of these products work extremely well together, and I really can't wait to start using this again. So again, this is the Lange. This is the Retexturizing Peel, and I can't stress this enough. I definitely recommend you go check out their full line, and I'll leave all the information down below if you guys want to go check out this little peel kit. Again, I'm super impressed, and I really want to share this with you guys, and I think that this is something that a lot of you guys would like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!